Do you know many people are having trouble with setting radio presets on their audio devices? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Install app. Download and install the SoundTouch app on your smartphone or tablet for easy control. Step 2. Connect Wi-Fi. Open the SoundTouch app and ensure your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Bose SoundTouch 30. Step 3. Stream station. Stream your desired radio station through the SoundTouch app to your speaker. Step 4. Assign preset. Press and hold a preset button on your speaker or remote control until you hear a confirmation tone. Step 5. Repeat steps. Repeat these steps for all 6 preset buttons to easily switch between your favorite stations. By following these steps, you should now be able to easily set and access your favorite radio stations using the presets. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Bose users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.